Every wonder that makes the biggest brand in the world so legendary. From snacks to sneakers and sports cars, these companies have stories you will not believe. Stick around because today I am sharing 10 insane facts about the brands you know and love, and some might just blow your mind. Here are the facts. Number one, Lay's makes our 200 flavors worldwide. Think you will try every Lay's chips flavor? Think again. Lay's produces our 200 unique flavor around the globe. In China, you will find flavors like cucumber, while in India you can snack on magic masala. Imagine being a chips tester for a living. The fact number two, Adidas and Pumas were started by feuding brothers. Yes, Adidas and Pumas, two of the biggest sportswear giants, have a surprising history. They were founded by brother Adolf and Rudolf Dasslers, who had a falling out. So swear they started rival companies. Their feud was so intense, the entire town of Arizona Grunge in Germany was divided. Here the fact number three, Nike logo cost just $335 today. The iconic Nike swoosh, it was just created by design student named Caroline Davidson in 1971, and she was paid just $35 for it. Years later, Nike made it up to her by giving her stock in the company, now worth millions. Here the fact number four, Ferrari's prancing horse has a heroic backstory. Ferrari's famous prancing horse logos were inspired by an Italian World War I fighter pilot named Francisco Barasica. He painted a horse on his plane for good luck, and Enzo Ferrari adopted it as attributes. Who knew speed and history went hand in hand? Here the fact number five about the Coca-Cola once owned Santa Claus image. Every wonder why Santa Claus is always dressed in red and white. That's thanks to Coca-Cola in the 1930s. Their run ads feature a jolly red suited Santa committed his modern image. Before that, Santa looked very worldly in stories and art. Here the facts number six, L'Oreal created series by accident. L'Oreal, the beauty brand, revolutionized sneakers and accidentally created the world's first sunscreen. Their chemist Eugene Segulars was experimenting with hair dyes when they stumbled upon a formula that had protected skin from UV rays, beauties and brain rights. McDonald's makes most of its money from real estate. Think McDonald's is just a fast food chain? Nope, it's actually one of the largest real estate companies in the world. The brand owns some of the most valuable property in prime location globally, and their franchise parent to operate there. Talk about a double business model. And there you have it, 10 wild facts about brands you see every day but might not know much about. From sibling rivalries to accidental breakthroughs, these stories remind us that even the most famous companies have humble and sometimes bizarre beginnings. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comment, and don't forget to share this with someone you loves trivia and much as you do.